love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。First time， 第一次，很多事情呢，我们可能第一次吃到啦，做的事情啊是第一次。我们这整个月呢，要教大家怎么说第一次。How do you say first time? T100。All right, that means the first time. Like this whole month, right? The tongue blossom is happening, and maybe it's the first time I'm bringing all my friends to go see the tongue flower. Let's put you in that scenario. 最近开始要开桐花了吗？对不对？盛开，要去苗栗看啊。
OK 啊。
然后呢 ，Let's say 你第一次带朋友去啊，他就会很感动啊，这样子好不好？好，真的很漂亮，对不对？所以我们先教大家怎么说，这里好漂亮哦 ，It's so beautiful here。
亚威喊讲哦，
亚威喊讲哦，喊讲，就是漂亮啊，很漂亮。That means very beautiful right here. It looks so beautiful. Well, yeah, it's my first time bringing friends over to Miaoli to watch the tongue flower. 我第一次呢带朋友来苗栗看桐花。
I T100， 帶朋友來苗栗看桐花。
OK， 看桐花就是看桐花嘛。
I T100帶朋友來苗栗看桐花，桐花
that's the tongue flower. To watch it, 看桐花 and 苗栗就是苗栗 That's where a lot of these flowers are blossoming right now. And it's the first time I brought my friends. 朋友叫做
朋友，
对，希望大家呢可以带着朋友去赏桐花嘛，哈。
OK，
那朋友当然会很感动，可能会说：“哎呀，这是我的荣幸啊 ，It's my honor to be one of the first that you bring here。” OK， 所以这是我的荣幸。
也係我嘅榮幸，
永恆
就是榮幸，
所以俺子 say， 然後再永恆，就是又謝謝你，又覺得很榮幸，對不對 ？OK， 永恆 that means my honor, my pleasure that I'm here. All right, let's review some of these terms such as beautiful 漂亮叫做
喊講，
這是好漂亮然後 very beautiful。然後呢，朋友 friends， 朋友 and then my honor 榮幸。
永恆
Okay? And it's all about that phrase 第一次 first time 第一次怎么说T100其实去看桐花了一定要多去看
对啦
多去几次很漂亮的
对
很讲哦 Alright That does it for today's Practical Hakka here on ICRT
什麼大家
俺子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council